Hi friends, my name is Dhirendra Gautam. I am the founder of Great Men University, where we empower corporate business leaders to resolve their life, career, or business challenges. Many of the people they keep asking me about how to crack the interview at the senior level in corporates. So friends, today I will be sharing some of the very highly research-based tips which is going to help you in all your interviews at the senior position, director and CEO positions. As per research, only 10% of the people profile for the executive positions are getting shortlisted for the first round of interview. So if for a position 100 people applies, only 10 profiles are getting shortlisted. So the first milestone is to ensure that your profile should get shortlisted in that 10%. And you have to prepare your profile in such a powerful manner that your profile is part of that 10% shortlisted profile. The second research says that around 70% of the people apply for the job without reading the job description in full. I request you when you are appearing or applying for a senior level position in corporates, go through with the job profile line by line and read it completely. And if your profile matches more than 80% of the job description, then only you apply for the job. As per the research, around 98% of the people have a fixed template kind of a resume prepared, which they use to apply for all the job they apply for a different position. Nowadays, even the job portal allows you to keep at least couple of profiles. What I recommend when you are applying for a senior position in corporate, you should update and modify your profile as per the job description prescribed in that position for that particular company. See, your profile is a small summary of your capabilities. So after seeing the job description, you have to match that summary which should reflect in your profile, and that only updated and modified profile you should be able to send it to the corporates for your application. And then only you have the possibility to be your profile part of that 10% shortlisted resume to be called for the interview. Another research says that 90% plus executives go for the interview without prepared, and most of the time it is because their overconfidence. They are so overconfident that they go without prepare for the interview. I advise after seeing the job description, preparing your profile, updating your CV, send it that, and be prepared for each and everything before going for the interview. You should not be an active job seeker. You should be applying for the profile only when you feel 80% chances is there that you can get selected. Go to the website of the company, understand about the management team, understand about the people who is going to come for interview, who might be the CEO, who might be your boss, who might be the HR head who is going to interview, their product, their services, their business, their operation. Nowadays, most of the informations are available on their website. Around 70% of the executives do not ask any question from the interviewer when they get the opportunity. In interviews, most of the interviewer ask, do you want to know or understand anything? Do you have any question in your mind? 70% people doesn't ask any question. I say ask question from the interviewer. But If you are prepared, then only you will be able to ask the question from the interviewer. This shows your interest and seriousness in the job and the company you are applying and you are appearing for the interview. 90% of these, 95% of the executives do not ask engaging question relating financial numbers with the interviewer. At the senior position, talking financial number makes an edge over the other people's. I strongly recommend if the company is a listed company and if you are going for an interview for that position in a senior position and senior profile in that company, read their audited financial which is available on their website. Understand the key for financial performance indicator, and when you go for the interview, talk in numbers, talk about the performance indicator, irrespective whether you are going for the finance or non-finance position, you are going for a senior executive or a director role. So number matters. So talk in numbers, talk in terms of performance. Around 60% plus times, executives focus on the answers without fully listening the question of the interviewer. We are so busy preparing our answers, just half listening the interview question, our mind start processing the answers for the question, and you are not able to listen the interviewer completely. I recommend you listen fully to the question of the interviewer. And if you have any doubt or if you are not able to understand, ask them to further clarify that. This will give you a time to think for the answer if you are not able to, not 100% confident about the answer. At the same time, by asking the question to explain and clarify more, you got the possibility to slightly twist the context of the question and answer in your favor. So listen to the interviewer 100% and then answer the question. For top management position, almost all the candidates shortlisted for the profile are having almost equal capability. So in order to get selected for a senior leadership position in a director or a CEO position, it is very difficult to differentiate in the profile. So you have to create an impact on the interviewer. And how you can create the impact? You can build up a rapport with the interviewer by understanding and asking some question relating to his passion and performances. Ask some question relating to his past achievement, her past achievement, her passion, his passion, depending upon who is your boss. And you will not able to ask this question unless you are totally prepared. My friends, I would like to tell you, if you just do whatever I am saying in this video, you are going to improve your chances of getting selected for the senior top level position by 70 to 80%. Rest, your technical capability will talk. Hope you have enjoyed my video, and if you have liked it, you will like my videos, you share your thoughts and comment, and I will be preparing more corporate leadership and transformation related videos which is going to help you build up your corporate life. Thank you very much.